Today we're going to be talking about the Hanja song. Now, first of all, if you would like to see more videos about Hanja, please let me know in the comments below. As long as I can think of interesting Hanja to teach you, I can probably keep making these. Now, the point of these videos is not to help you learn how to read and write them. That can be useful, but that's not the most useful usage of learning them. It's learning what they sound like and what they mean and how you can use them yourself. So the Hanja we're going to be talking about today is song. And the character itself is actually composed of two separate kind of pictographs. The first one here is a heart or mind, and this one is birth. So it's used to mean your heart or your mind since being born. And you can think of it as like your nature. So your nature, your mind since you were born. Now, you don't need to know that, but it's kind of cool. But it's used not just to mean the nature of someone, but also the nature of something or the property of something. And you'll see it used in a lot of Hanja words in that way. The nature of something or the property of something. For example, the word yang, which is what we would know as yin and yang, meaning negative and yang meaning positive. If you take a test to check to see if you're sick or not, you're hoping for a 음성 result, which would be negative property. Or 양성 would be positive, that would be positive property. Two more common words that you'll see that use this Hanja are 성격 and 성별. 성격 means a person's personality, and 성별 means a person's gender. And if you didn't know this word, 성별, you might know these words, 남성 and 여성. For example, 남 would be like 남자, 여자. So 남성 would be the male gender, and the female gender, we would just say male or female, like that. A really common way that you'll see 성 used is to mean the nature of or the property of something when it's used at the end of a Hanja word. And when it's used this way, it's kind of like attaching ness, or maybe ants, or maybe ity of some sort of noun. For example, 인간 means human, well, 인간성 is the humanity. So the nature of being human, or the property of being human, so someone's humanity. Another way you can think of this is human nature, right? So human nature, humanity. So I want to look at a few words like this, and these are going to be really common ones, starting with 중요성. 중요 means important, so you might know this from 중요하다, to be important. 중요성, so the nature of important, or the property of important, we would say importance. Again, this is the property of, or the nature of being important. The next word is 우수성. Now, 우수 means excellent or superb. So the nature of being superb or being excellent, or the property of being superb or being excellent. This would be excellence, or maybe superiority. Next is 확실성, from 확실 or 확실하다, meaning to be certain or to be reliable. So this is the nature of or the property of being certain or being reliable. This would be reliability. So that is, how reliable is something? The nature of or property of that thing being reliable. Let's do a couple more. 유사성. 유사 means similar. So the property of or the nature of something being similar is similarity. So how similar something is its 유사성. And last but not least, 정확성. This would be correct or accurate. So 정확하다, to be correct or accurate, and it's the nature of or property of something being correct or accurate. You would call that accuracy or maybe precision. So it's how accurate or how correct something is. And there are a lot more words that end with this in Hanja, but these are just some of the most common ones that I've found. Are there any other ones that you've seen before? Please let me know in the comments. I do check all of those. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.